For joining this tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to remove the blemishes and birthmarks from any of the pictures. So the process is very simple. It's if you are absolute beginner on Photoshop, or if you are just a photographer and you have taken a lot of pictures of different models, male or female, and you just wanted to have like a really nice picture by removing the birthmarks or blemishes from the face. This tutorial will definitely help you. So I've got this picture of a model on which we will work on. First of all, you have to go to the tools bar. I intentionally removed the toolbars because if you are a beginner, you need to know how to get the toolbar. So all you need to do is on the top menu, go to Windows, click on Windows, and right at the end there is, after the options, there is tools. So left click on them. Here you go, and you got your toolbar on the left hand side. It's entirely up to you. You can customize it, you can move it around, but I prefer it on the left hand side. That's why it's there. So what tool we will use today to remove blemishes is called spot healing brush tool. So when you take your cursor on that and click, the very first option will come spot healing brush tool. So click on that. What you need to do is you need to make sure that this brush icon, the size of it, it's exactly what you need. If you make it like really big, then it will make the skin really look really bad. So you have to make sure that it only covers the part which you are working on. So in this case, we are removing blemishes and birthmarks on the model's face, and maybe from her hand as well, from her arm. So we will only get the size which covers the area which we wanted to remove from the picture. This is quite big, so we will change the size and make it a bit more smaller and a little bit more. There you go. So this is perfectly fine. So all you need to do is take this onto the birthmark or blemish and click left, and this will do all the magic for you. So what it's doing is it's removing the birthmarks or blemishes from the skin. So in this case, this model has got a lot of blemishes, so it might gonna take a little while, but as you can see, the process is very simple. You just take this marker onto that part of the skin and click left. So from the face, we have removed a lot of blemish and birthmarks, and now I just noticed when I put this picture on that she has got few of the birthmarks on her arm and a bit on the hand, so we will remove that. This is a very simple way of removing blemishes and birthmarks from the skin. You just have to open the Photoshop, the image you are working on, go to the tools, select the option which says spot healing and brush tool, click on that, and it's the very first option, and change the marker size to the size which is exactly you need, and take it on the part which you want it to be fixed, and click left click on that, and it will do all the trick for you. Just make sure you're just focusing and pointing on the part which you are working on. So that was a small tutorial about removing blemish and birthmark signs. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.